Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the update number 1 of building a $5,000 per month business with Instagram Faceless theme page. If you haven't watched my previous video, then make sure you watch that first before watching this one. Alright, so let's get started. So if I go down below, you will see this is my page right here, that is Millionaire Tribe, right? So as you know, I in the previous video I actually told you that I started this on 1st September, but when I checked, I actually started this on 2nd September 2024. Right, and today is 12th September and these are the stats. So from 210 posts, actually it was 205 or 7 posts something that when I first started, before I record in my first video of this strategy. Now 10 days later I have actually about 225 posts and plus 20 followers. All right, 8,900 accounts reach. If you can see it right here, let me just zoom in. There we go, right? 8.9T, that means 8,900 accounts reached, and I will share with you some more stats as well. Now before that, I need to tell you something, right? If you're watching this video, please do not go to this page and follow me. All right, I actually want to grow this page organically so that this case study that I'm doing right here in front of you makes sense. Sure, you can go and check my page, you can go and check my videos, the reels that I'm doing, but please do not follow. Alright, now let's dive deep into the stats. So this is my stats right here. Let me just zoom in here. So for last 30 days, I've reached about 8,900 accounts right here. You can see the impressions and such. And I have got my most reach from the reels, as you can see right here. Right, let me go to here. So by content type, again, reels. And if I go down, well, let me just minimize that. I actually missed here, right? So by content type, followers, reels as well, stories. I added a couple of stories of the same reel that I posted and people actually watched that, engaged with that. And by content type, non-followers, reels, the max reach, always good. Now, if we take a look at here, right, I want to show you actually this, the top countries, that is United States, which is pretty good. Let's say you have like 100,000 followers on your Instagram account, but most of your followers are not from tier 1 countries like USA, Canada or UK, and most of your audience are from India, Bangladesh and countries like that, then you will not be able to make much money with them. The reason is that they don't have that much purchase power as US and other tier 1 countries have. I'm an Indian myself, but I understand that. And if I actually want to make money, if I actually want to make money selling an affiliate product, my own product, or even a shout out, I need to build this top audience, this US as my top audience, top country on my Instagram. All right. And you can see a couple of more, stats like profile visits. I actually got 140, 150 profile visits, and external link tabs, which is 5, which is always good, right? People can click on my bio. So if you can go here, click on this bio, enter their email address and become a lead. So that is there. And if in next 1, 2 or 3 months I make a sale, that will be a high ticket commission and it's well worth it. I'm playing the long-term game here, so I don't really care about making sales with this initially. Okay. And yeah, I can actually show you more insights, more analytics here, right here, right? So you can see that it actually increased to 10,000. So if I go above, you can see I have reached about, 8,000. Well, I am recording this video right now and actually reached more than that, right? 10,255 accounts reached, which is pretty good. Okay, now if I go down below, right, you can see the most active times my followers actually engaged with my content. So for past 10 days, what I did was I posted all these reels, right? All these reels here, right? These reels here on a fixed time, on a set time. That is 9 p.m. IST on my time, IST, and 4 a.m. IST, right? So basically I want to target USA audience because they will be awake at that time and Indians and other country will be sleeping. So as you can see, the audience, now the reached audience US, it actually kind of worked, right? Now they actually gave me a set time that for each day, right? When are they, engaging the most, right? When are they active the most? So from tomorrow, what I will do is like till the next update, what I will do is I will keep these timings in my mind and I will post my reels just before this time. So 12 a.m. So I will be posting one reel for like 11:45 p.m. my time again, right? These stats are based on my time, right? 12 a.m., 3 a.m., 6 a.m., basically USA audience. So I will try that. Now let's go back and take a look at it right? So my growth strategy is very simple. I am using other people's proven content and I'm recreating it with my own theme, right? If you can see, let me just go back here. And if you can see, my logo is blue, right? White and blue. And I am using that theme on a consistent basis, right? I can actually improve this page, little bit more aesthetically. I can add more highlights as well, which I will be doing as I continue this. All right. Now let's just go back. And my strategy is posting 2 reels a day. I actually started with 1 reel a day for initial couple of days, I believe, and then I started posting 2 reels a day, right? It takes about 2 hours to do this, research included, right? Research, downloading the reels, you're finding the sources and then editing it out. And also I am not doing any follow unfollow method, right? That strategy is outdated. If you're growing your Instagram with follow unfollow, please stop it and find another way to organically grow. By the way, engaging with other reels, other content is fine, right? That way you can still appear in front of new people, but follow unfollow is a big no-no. All right, so let me just go down here. So this is my monetization strategy right here. All right, shout outs, affiliate offers, digital products, newsletters like Beehive, right? I'm not going to explain this right now because I already did it in my previous videos, so go ahead and watch that first. So again, post content that is someone else's and is faceless, right? That way I can grow followers and followers to build my email list and then selling affiliate or digital offers to my email list. All right, now let's go down and I want to show you this one, right? What is my ultimate goal, right? That is 100,000 followers. So if I reach 100,000 followers, which I will reach in future, right? So I will be able to make really good consistent money with shoutouts, right? Shoutouts are mostly purchased by influencers who wants to grow their personal brand and they want a good audience, the top countries, that is US and such. And also they need a big audience so that they can get maximum reach of new people. Till then, I will be doing affiliate and digital product promotions. And my initial milestone is getting to 5,000 followers before I even start promoting affiliate or digital products. What I will do is when I reach 5,000 followers, I'll be creating some promotion posts or maybe stories and test stuff out. This is not set in stone. I will test stuff out for a week maybe, doing a couple of promotions and see how it goes. Now at last, do you have any questions? If so, let me know in the comment section and tell me if you are enjoying this or not, right? Should I continue this or not? Otherwise, me creating these type of videos is simply a waste of time, right? If no one else is interested. So for this week, we have gained 20 plus followers. We have reached more than 8,900 accounts, actually more than 10,000 accounts, as you already saw in the insights right here. There we go. And yeah, we have saw that our most popular country is USA, 32%, then India, then Canada, Germany. That is pretty good. All right, so I hope I will see you in the next video. Cheers.